And welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. Today we are going to make the first card in the Peaceful Christmas Paper Pumpkin Kit from October 2021. If you open up your instructions, the first page shows you everything you need. We've got our card base, we've got our buffalo plaid piece, we've got our red banner, our gray banner, our Noel, we've got our block with the Christmas trees on it, and we've got our vellum trees. So if you flip over, here are your specific instructions on how to build it. So I'm just going to put those off to the side and I'll work through them. So step one is to ink up your stamp. I'll just put this in here so you can see. And I've actually cleaned off the stamp before I used it. It helps get rid of some of the chemicals used to actually make it. We need to stamp this just off center and to the one side. So there we go, that's stamped. I don't know if you can see that on there. On our next step, in step two, we need to use dimensionals to put this onto the card base. So I'm going to grab the dimensionals, and we're just going to, they call for one in each corner. So that's what we'll do, one in each corner. And then we'll just peel these off like this. And if you are new to the kits, the hexagon pieces are called dimensionals because they lift everything up. So we're going to make sure we've got our card the correct way up. We're going to center this and drop it down. So now it's dimensionalized. You can see it's raised up from the card base. Step three is to take our adhesive dots and put them on the back of the vellum trees. And the trees go this way, so we'll turn this over and we'll take our dots and we'll put them on the back of the trees. And that one just peeled off. So because the backing peeled off without the dot, I'm just going to do that like that. Now this one's peeled off completely, so I'm just going to pop this one down like this. And it calls for 3 dots. So we'll grab another dot and we'll put it in the middle of this tree here. And then we will take the backing off of these ones like this. And we are going to lay this down in the bottom corner over here. And we're going to just press it down like that. Now you can see the adhesive dots through the vellum, but we're going to cover that up. Step 4 says that we need our gray piece and we need to put dimensionals on that. And then we need our banner like this. And we need to put adhesive dots on the back of that. And we need to take our Noel and put adhesive dots on the back of the Noel. So let's get started with that. I'm just going to put the lid back on my Stampin' Spot before I put my finger in it. And those of you who've been watching my videos for a while know that that is a definite possibility. So I'm just going to put the adhesive dots on the back of here. Now I've said before, you can use a take your pick tool or your piercing tool to take these off. I like to do these videos with just what's in the kit, just to show that you absolutely don't need anything other than what comes in the kit to build these. So we're just going to pop that on there like that. Now, this one goes down over the base of the trees like this. And then the red banner, I'll just take the other one off here, goes over the top of this. You need to make sure that your adhesive dots are in close enough that they'll actually stick to the piece underneath. There we go. And then we're going to take the Noel and we're going to peel the backing off. And if your adhesive dot sticks out over the edge, like this one here sticks out into the middle of the piece, you can just roll it back. And then we're going to take the backing off that piece there. Come on, there we go. And we're going to just layer this up over top, just like that. And the last step in the instructions is we take 3 of the glittery crystals and we put them on. And again, you can use take your pick tool, or you can use a pair of tweezers. I am just going to use my fingers because that's what we have with the kit. So I'm just going to put these down like this, and then there's one down over here like this. And that is the first card in the Peaceful Christmas October 2021 Paper Pumpkin Kit. Stay tuned for card number 2.